for coming on with me. I am looking at the camera instead of at the photo or the visual. So I'm going to try to make connection with you. Today I have a small haul to open. Okay, we got our cotton cuts, and I think it's going to be the second to the last one. I'm sort of amazed. We're getting up there. We're at the very end. And it's cotton cuts, the tombstone, and it's large. So we're ready to roll. And then I have a small haul from Fat Quarter Shop. And I believe it's going to be my reproduction fabrics. And I think it's going to be our last issue of them. Because I think the next thing I start getting in the mail is going to be the designer mystery quilt from Fat Quarter. So I'm looking forward to that very much. Okay, so today we're going to open this one up. This is from Fat Quarter Shop. And it is going to be the, oh, they're beautiful. Reproduction Fat Quarter Club. And this is for my Civil War. Let me hold it up for you. Can you see that okay, or is that pretty glary? Let me open it up and we'll go from there. They do a good job on packaging. Gotta give them that. I hear something beeping. I'm gonna go check on that. Hi, I guess it was a neighbor's car alarm that was going off. Woo! Okay, so these are the most beautiful Fat Quarter fabrics that have come. Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. I love that green. Can you see it okay? Oh, look at that one. How do they come up with these? It's really beautiful. It's let me hold it up for you. Isn't that a lovely tan? And then it's got the lovely, looks like little pineapples. Oh, I like this one. What do you think of that one? That's an okay blue. Not my cup of tea, really. But I like this one. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Isn't that nice? I like it. That's pretty. What a nice selection this time. That's reminiscent of paisley almost. There it is in another colorway. Oh, that's lovely. That reminds me of Liberty. Such a tiny little print. That's pretty. And then it goes with this tiny print here. Let me hold it up for you. Which ones are your favorite? I sure make a mess of them. Let's see here. I really like the tan with the pineapple appearing looks. And I do like this blue one. And this one. See, is there another one like that? And these are all made by Marcus Fabrics, Judy Rothermel. So this one is lace. This one is called Swoosh. This one is called Geo. This one we don't know. daisies, blossom, pansy, tossed tiles, blossom in a different colorway. We don't know what this one is. And this one is floral. And then the last one is mosaic. And it's sort of a pink. We'll straighten these up. I can see that these will be fun to use in my Civil War quilt. They really do send us a nice selection. You know, one time I got the reproduction package from Fat Quarter, and it was all 1930s, the little tiny bright colors. I sent those back because I want Civil War dark colors, florals. I know that these are not true to form completely from the Civil War era, but to me, they look like it. So that's that beautiful package. Let me keep that directional paper with it. I remember last month I got 2 grab bag Fat Quarter bundles, and they were really beautiful. I think I may have put them just right here. One was a art gallery, and this one is the cheddar. And see, we already used some of that for the last blocks that we were working on. I could use all of those on my Civil War too. I don't know if these would go as well, because this is really sort of a Southwest grouping. I just love having a bunch of bundles of, I just love having some stash. You know, I haven't ever had stash until this last year, but I've purchased enough things on sale and a variety of bundles that I have a nice collection now. It's a lot of fun. All right, I think I'm gonna put this, oh, here we go. Put it in its sack. Now, how do you collect your Fat Quarters? Do you keep them in groupings, or do you just go them by color? Store them as per color. Let me know. Now, the next thing we received was my Cotton Cuts package. I don't know, we're getting to the very end on this. Let's see what we have here. This says that it is section 9. Block 9. Now, is it a 10-month issue? Here's my pizza box on Tombstone. And my color coordinating. You really do need to keep the color coordinating packages available, because how are you going to know based on a black and white instruction? You know, you really have to keep the what color goes with what. And there's my Flat Nancy's. Oh, here we go. Here's the directions. Wild West 2024 Fall. Keep your fabric swatch. Absolutely. I even made a copy of that in full color. Clue number 10 will show you how to put all the pieces together. Good grief, so this is 9. We only have 1 more month left? Clue number 10 may include longer strips to make borders. Wow, okay. I don't remember if I bought the backing or not. One would think that that would have come already, but I don't know. Well, I'm thinking about putting a brushed cotton red plaid on the back of this. It sort of reminds me of a ghost town. What did they wear? Red plaid shirts? In the movies, anyway. And here is block of the month. And it looks like a standard, very standard type of a shadow box. So that gives us February and March. July. I don't think I got a January one. Did I? Do you remember I talked about that? July, August, September, October, no, October, 2 Decembers, and no January. Well, maybe I'll call them and let them know. Oh, wait a minute, here's one. September, October, yeah. No November and no January, but we have February and March. Interesting. Well, I'll call them or email them or something, let them know. I'll bet you they send them right away. They're pretty good about stuff like that. And look, all these blocks we've got done. And they're all labeled. Wait a minute, here's something. Nope, that's not it. It's an advertisement. All right. Well, that's all for today's video. And I'm going to go ahead and work on cotton cuts. I think I've got enough time before I go to pick up my grandson. And I went and volunteered this morning at the service center for the food bank that we provide through our churches. And so, gosh, I was only there maybe an hour at most, probably more like 40 minutes. And I thought, well, maybe I could take a food box over to somebody I know from one of my girl groups that I get to, women's groups I get together with. So I asked, they filled it, and I delivered. So that's all I did this morning. And then I went to the health food store and looked at their hot food section. Yummy. I got some tandoori chicken and some rice. Yum. Anyway, so here I am telling you every move, but here's my directions. Here's my cheat sheet, my cues, and I think we'll just go ahead and get started on that in our next movie. So you all have a good day, and it's wonderful to come back and be with you and do these adventures with you. Please pick up something and start thinking about how you could make something pretty. And if it's too big to think of a quilt, start with something pretty for a tabletop. You know, something bright and cheery for the spring. All right. Nice to see you. Bye-bye.